In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Slack. Start by going to the Trello website and logging into your account. Once you're signed in, open the board where you want to set up the integration. This is important because power-ups are added at the board level, so you'll want to be inside the specific board that should connect with Slack. At the top of the board, click on Power-ups. This is where Trello lets you add extra features and integrations to expand what your board can do. After that, click Add Power-ups to open the Power-up directory. In the search bar, type Slack. When the Slack Power-up appears in the results, click Add to enable it for your board. This connects the Power-up to Trello so you can begin configuring how Slack works with that board. Once the Slack Power-up has been added, click Settings. This will open the options related to the Power-up. From that menu, choose Edit Power-up Settings. This is where you manage the connection details and alert behavior for Slack inside Trello. Next, click Add Slack Alert. This lets you create the connection that sends board activity or updates into Slack, depending on how you plan to use it. After that, click Add Slack Workspace. At this point, Trello will ask you to sign in to your Slack workspace. You'll be prompted to enter your workspace URL. Type in your Slack workspace address, then click Continue. From there, follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection between Trello and Slack. Once approved, the integration will be linked to your board. And that's it. Trello and Slack are now integrated. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A quick tip here. If you manage multiple Trello boards, make sure you're adding the Slack power-up to the correct one before finishing setup. Also, if the workspace doesn't connect right away, double-check that you entered the correct Slack workspace URL and that you have permission to authorize apps for that workspace. In some teams, Slack admins control which integrations can be connected, so approval may be required before everything works fully. Another useful thing to remember is that after the workspace is connected, you can go back into the power-up settings anytime to adjust how alerts are handled. That makes it easier to keep notifications relevant and avoid sending too many updates into Slack channels. Congratulations, your Trello and Slack integration is now set up and ready to use.